In this video, you'll learn how to quickly share a Canva presentation through Facebook Messenger. So, to start, select the search field and enter keywords to find your presentation. This makes it easy to locate the project you want to share. Click the Explore Now button to open the presentation and prepare it for customization. Next, click Customize this text to begin editing. Then, select the Bore Cell Creative Text area to choose and modify it as needed. Adjust the text size with the slider for better readability or visual impact. Now, select the target market card to choose the specific slide you want to share from your presentation. To share, click the Share button. Then use the Copy to Clipboard option to copy the presentation link. Finally, select the Facebook Messenger icon to send your Canva presentation directly to your contacts. That's how you can easily share your Canva presentation through Messenger.